Hello YouTube, welcome back to my videos, and this is one of my first videos. It can be third to fourth video. So on this video, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to edit videos on iMovie, as you can see by the title. So let's get started. So what you want to do if you're on a Mac, iMac, you want to go on Launchpad. You want to press on Launchpad, and then you're going to find iMovie. You want to press on iMovie, and then you're going to open iMovie, and then a page like this will pop out. So what you want to do right now is press on the plus sign, create new. After you press, you have to press on movie. If you want to edit a video or anything, press on movie. If you want to create a trailer or some kind of that, you can press on trailer. For this video, we're going to be using movie. So we can press on movie, and then you want to press right click on this sidebar, project media, and then you want to press new event. If you want to right click, you can press control click anywhere on your mouse, or you can right click if you have enabled. So you can rename this as video number 4, and then you can press enter, and there it is. Just put it, okay. So here is your event. You want to create an event. So this page should show up, and press import media. So you want to wait, and then you want to open the video that you want to edit. So mine's on the desktop. It's called Untitled, and there it is. So you want to drag it down here and let go. So here, as you can see, is your video. You can come here, press play. So this is where you can edit your videos. So if you want to add a text or any kind of that, you can go up to titles, and then you can choose like a standard text, what kind of text you want. So you can choose this one. You can drag it and put it wherever you want to put it. Like it's 4 seconds, so you can put it like right here, and then you can press on it, and then you can cut it like right here, split clip, sorry. And then you can delete this part because it's too long, and this is a short video. Okay, so you want to press on this, you want to double click on it, and until you see like you can edit it. So you want to delete it. Sorry, did I do? So you want to press here, split clip, and then delete. Okay, so you can press on this, and then you have to make sure that it's highlighted, and then you can write whatever you want to write, like this is a test video, and then you can put a description. If you don't want, you just can delete it. For this video, I don't want a description, so you can test it. You can back here. So as you can see, it went really fast because it's just a 2 second. So you can add text, you can add audio. So if you have audio from iTunes, and then iMovie gives you some sound effects. So as you can see, so if you, I have a song on iTunes, pretty popular. So you can drag it, and you can put it from under. It's more neat. So you can go here, and then try to put your mouse on this side. Okay, so you wanna press on this, and then you can push it down to change the volume. So you can put it on 1%, or if you want, you can go up here, press on whichever you feel. If you have a yellow box on this one, you can press on this, and then change the volume. Let's keep it 100, 7, whatever. And then if you want to split this clip, you can right click, split, then delete one. So as you can see, it's aligned. So if you go right here, so this is kind of cool. So you can add text, you can add audio, you can add a background. So this background, you can use it if, let's say, you can add a background from behind if like you have a video but it's pretty small, like this big here. So you can add a background to not make it look like stupid, because if you watch a YouTube video, like this whole screen will be black, and then and your small box will be here. So you can add a background, and you can add transitions. So you can add a transition before this, so you can go like, you can see. Just pause it. Let's go from the beginning. Like this. And then you can hear the background music back there. You can add any kind of transitions. You can add a right here. So that's how the video would end. And then you can add, if you press this, double press, and then you can change the colors if you want and stuff, and the brightness. So you can change this like this. The ice looks cooler now for some reason. You can pull it down. It goes black and white. I'll keep it like this. It looks cool. And then you can change it like this, the colors. I like it like this. This looks cool right now. So this is how you can edit videos on iMovie. So you can crop any, like how you want. If you want to crop it, crop to fill, keyburns, so you can see it like right here. Like the lines right here, and it says end. And then you can set it, and you can change the effects, audio, so you can do so many stuff on this. And if you want to reduce background noise, this is really good. So you can put it high. So you gotta press this. You can reduce it or put it down. If you don't want like background noise and stuff, you can use this. It's really good. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Peace out.